Good morning. You are welcome to this online tutorial. Then today is the first day we are meeting. I am Anthony Obiama, Reverend Father, and this online tutorial is meant specifically for the students of Mother of Mercy Girls Secondary School in Nnewi, SS2 to SS3. Those who have finished SS2 and going to SS3. And so we have to begin by revision of the last semester's work, that is SS2 third term work. And we are going to do that by revision of doing the correction of the past question paper we did. And so this is the past question paper. It already be posted. So Anambra State Catholic Education System 2021-22 Joint Promotion Examination, Class 2, General Mathematics, time 2 hours. And in this question paper, we have two sessions, Session A and Session B. Session A is subjective, while Session B is theory. So then we are going to begin with theory. So question 1A. Using quadratic equation, that is almighty formula, solve the equation correct to two decimal places. And this is the equation. Solve the equation 2x squared plus 7x minus 11 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Now we are going to solve it using quadratic formula to solve it. And what is the quadratic formula? It is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But remember that this quadratic formula was gotten from the quadratic equation. The format of quadratic equation is this: ax squared plus bx minus c equals to 0. This is the quadratic formula or equation. Now, solving for x here will lead you to get this quadratic formula. So we are going to use it to solve this equation. And so comparing this quadratic equation with this one, you will find out that A is 2 and B will be 7, while C will be minus 11. That is it. So looking at it now, you will see that all you need is to impute all these values into this formula and you get the answer. So let's do it. Therefore, x equals to minus 7 because b is 7. Minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times 2 times c, which is minus 11, all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 2. So that is it. Now, solving this, you will see you will get minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 11 is 88. Minus times minus will give you a plus. So it's going to be 88 all over 2 times 2 now will give you 4. Okay. Now when you now continue, you say x equals to 7 plus or minus 7, remember, plus or minus square root of, if you add up this, you get 137 all over 4. Now, remember that in quadratic equation, when you want to solve quadratic equation, that is to find the root of your quadratic equation, you always have two roots. Every quadratic equation has two roots. That is what we mean by quadratic, 2. So, to get that two roots here, now it's going to be x equals to minus 7. We use plus first, plus. Already the square root of 137 will give us 11.7 all over 4. Or minus 7 minus, this one now I use minus 11.7 all over 4. So now this one will be minus, no, this one should be 4.7 over 4, or this one should be minus 18.7 over 4. So when you now solve it, when you divide this with this, you now get x equals to 1.175 or minus 4.675. Now we are asked to correct to 2 decimal places. Therefore, x will be now 1.18 or x equals to minus 4.68. And so that is the answer. Thank you.